Welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you about excretion in humans. The excretory system of human beings collect the liquid waste and help it get rid of them. The excretory system consists of the following main organs. Main organs of excretory system: two kidneys, two kidneys, two ureter, one bladder, one urethra. The kidneys are being shaped. Kidneys are being shaped toward the back of our body, just above the waist. Just above the waist. Function of kidney: to remove the poisonous substance like urea, other waste salt, and excess water from the blood and excrete them in the form of yellowish liquid called urine. Each kidney is made up of a large number of excretory units. Called nephron. Both kidney made up of a large number of नेफ्रॉन. इस किडनी में अनेकों नेफ्रॉन The nephron has cup-shaped bag at its upper end, which is called Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule and the tubules taken together make a nephron. Nephron is the unit of kidney. One end of the tubules is connected to Bowman's capsule and its other end is connected to urine collecting duct of kidney. Now we know about Bowman's capsule or nephron. The Bowman's capsule-like structure, Bowman's capsule, contains a bundle of blood capillaries, which called glomerulus. Bundle of blood capillaries called glomerulus. Bowman's capsule. One end of glomerulus is attached to the renal artery, which brings the dirty blood. One end attached to renal artery, which brings dirty blood, and other end of glomerulus joined with a renal vein. Other end joined with renal vein. Renal vein carries the contents clean. Function of glomerulus. Function of this part, glomerulus. Glomerulus filter the blood passing through it. The dirty blood जब इसमें इंटर करता है ग्लोमेरुलस में, ग्लोमेरुलस means bundle of blood capillaries filter the blood passing through it, but the waste material, like urea, remain behind the tubules. Remain behind the tubules. The liquid left behind the tubules is urine. The nephron carry this urine into the collecting duct of kidney. From where it carried to ureter. यहाँ से सीधे ureter में ureterate. From ureter, urine pass into urinary bladder. Urine pass through ureter in urinary bladder and stored for some time in urinary. Ultimately pass out of the body through urethra और लास्ट में urethra के द्वारा टाइम टू टाइम बॉडी से पास। इस तरह से नेफ्रॉन का काम ब्लड को फिल्टरेट करना, ब्लड का जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है लाइक या अदर साल्ट से फिल्टरेट करके ब्लड को क्लीन करना और इसे वेस्ट मटेरियल को एक्सक्रीशन के द्वारा बाहर निकालना। इस तरह से यहाँ एक्सक्रीशन इन ह्यूमन कंप्लीट